Dead bodies can make sounds, not screams, but worse. After death, air escapes the lungs, through the throat. It can sound like moaning or crying. Ancient people believed the dead were speaking. Doctors know the truth. It's not the soul leaving, it's the body emptying. This was a fact, not a story.